this tutorial, I will show you how you can use PHP null coalescing operator. It is the new feature of PHP that is introduced in PHP version 7, and it is an alternative of ternary operator. But there are some basic difference between these two operators, and the difference is explained here. First point is null coalescing operator can be used to check the values of two or more variables via chaining. But in ternary operator, if you want to check the multiple variables, then you have to use any logical conditional operator. And second point is that null coalescing operator can check the null values and it does not generate any notice. But ternary operator can do this. Third point is that null coalescing operator return the value of the variable if the variable contains any value or null value. The ternary operator return value based on the condition and the colon. If the condition true, then it will execute the left statement of the colon, otherwise right statement of the colon. And fourth difference is not coalescing operator is more readable than ternary operator. That means it is more flexible to use. And fifth difference is null coalescing operator is faster than ternary operator. So it is better to use null coalescing operator in replacement of ternary operator now. Now, the use of this operator will be explained by using the PHP script. I will explain the code after creating the script. So, now I will explain the code. Here, five variables is declared var1, var3, 4, 5, and 6. There is no var2. So in the first statement, it will check var1 contain any value or not. Here var1 contains the value and the value is this is the first string value. So it will not check the var2 and the output will be this is the first string value with blue color. Next, it will check $var2 contains any value or not. In this script, there is no $var2, so it will check the value of $var3. And $var3 contain this is the third string value, and it will print this with red color. Next, it will check $var4. $var4 is null. Then it will test the next variable $var5. $var5 is this is the first string value and it will print with green color. Here it will check the value of var6 which is empty and $var5 which contains a string. But empty string is also a value. So the value of this echo statement will be empty. That means nothing. So no text with yellow color will be printed. Now I will check the code. Here you can see there is the first string value that is blue color in this script, this one. And next output, this is the third string value which is red color, that means this one. Third string value is var3 and this is the fifth string value. This is the green color and it is the var5. Null is not printed and here it is not printed because var6 is empty. Okay, now I will go for the next example. Using the null coalescing operator to check $_get and $_post values. Here it will first check dollar underscore get name contains any value or not. If it doesn't contain any value, then it will print unknown. Next, it will check email contain any value or not. Otherwise, it will print no email address is found. Uh, in the third coalescing operator, it will check two values. Dollar underscore post. If it does not contain any value, then it will check dollar underscore get and dollar underscore get. If it also doesn't contain any value, then it will print no phone number found. And lastly, it will print the value of these three variables. I will test the code now. First output is unknown because dollar underscore get doesn't contain any value. Second output is no email address is found because I didn't provide any value in email query string. Third output is no phone number found because no phone number is provided in get or post. Okay, now I will test the first one. Name equal to Famida. Here unknown is changed to Famida. Next, I will provide an email address and person email equal to test at gmail.com. Here you can see the email address is added here. Next, I will provide the phone number. Okay. Now you can see name, email, and phone number is assigned here. But no conditional statement or logical operator is used here. This is the simplicity of null coalescing. Now I will check the next example, comparison of ternary operator to null coalescing operator. Here, ternary operator is used, and here null coalescing operator used, but output of the both operator will be same. It will check the value of n, which will be passed in the URL query parameter, and if it is set, then the value will be assigned in dollar number variable, otherwise undefined. In the same way, it will check the value of the n, and if it doesn't contain any value, then unknown will be stored in dollar number. And next, the value of the both dollar number will be printed. If I check the value after saving the file, you can see I didn't provide any value for n, and the output are the same. And if I provide the value now, and both operator generate the same output. And this was the last example of null coalescing operator. Thank you for watching.